compressed air is free, right?
Oh, yeah, it's really free. It, without question, it's the most expensive utility in any manufacturing based on energy input versus energy out. And it takes roughly 8 horsepower at the air compressor, or excuse me, at the electric motor to generate 1 horsepower of compressed air. That's if you have efficient uses of compressed air, meaning an air tool isn't a $10, $20, or $50 air tool, it's just a fan, okay? So, also the other issue becomes one of wasted air. People think air is free, so what they do is they sweep the floor with it, they clean their clothes off with it, they have an open nozzle because, yeah, it's free, don't worry about it. So when you look at that conversion factor to start with, okay, that's bad to begin with. But then improper uses of air is just air is being thrown out there. So there's numbers that have been thrown around, and every time you look at it, it's something different. But roughly, there are plants that I've got in there that's 100 horsepower worth of leaks. Okay, but that's not right. Okay, somebody's got to take care of that problem. But there's other issues that come up. One is the percentage of wasted air. How much wasted air the average manufacturing facility has, and that's somewhere around 30% of their energy.
On average.
On average. Okay, could be greater, but that's on average. And I went to a school years and years ago, and I wish I remembered the number. But if manufacturing facilities would just use their compressed air properly, I can't remember how many power plants in the United States could be shut down, but it was way more than 5 or 6. Okay, it was way up there. So it's a matter of extreme ecological side of it. If you're wasting energy, we have to produce more energy, right? So we have a save our planet type of situation. On the other hand, it's costly.
It is.